Hey guys, welcome back to another Airsoft video. Today we are doing a Airsoft event at RedFoxGames. This consists of Team Deathmatch, Infected, and Capture the Flag. The weapons I am using today is a M14 full metal, automatic and semi, and a blowback green gas pistol. I'm also using a Tommy gun with a rounded clip, and I end up getting a pistol from someone else because my M14 ends up not working, which kind of sucked, but everything worked out fine. I really had a lot of fun and enjoyed this Airsoft event, and will do more. So I hope you guys also enjoy this video, and enjoy.
I got you back. They're rushing on left! They're rushing on left! You okay?
Yep.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a couple.
Get down.
Oh! Almost.
That's a hit!
Watch out, there's a bunch of guys over there flying through.
Woo. Yeah, boy, that's one.
I see him, he's moving closer, towards the middle.
We're looking in here. We're about to get our asses fucked up in here, guys. Not even, I got it. All on my left, I'm getting...
Okay, I got you back. Oh! Hit!
And I got hit, and I waited for the next match to begin. This is the second match of the same field. We just switched sides, and I went for the middle to protect and look for other people.
Man coming on left! Hey guys, 2 guys coming on left! Or I mean right, whatever it's same thing.
There's one behind the bus. I'm gonna peek up real quick.
Okay.
I see. There's one at our 12 up in something. I don't know what he's in.
I think he's behind a car or something maybe. Or in the bus.
No, I'm talking about like 12, not the bus. Like straight ahead.
Oh, straight? Oh, he's behind that weird steamer thing.
Okay.
It's like that. But I saw there's 3. There's 3 that went. 2 came right.
To the right side of the bus? There's
Oh, he's that tree! He's that tree!
behind the bus! Hey, they're behind us right close.
This guy at tree. Oh, guy moved to behind near dumpster.
After
There's a guy
getting
behind
my
that tree.
3rd kill for the thing, I end up getting shots,
you see him?
as you're about to see in a second, and that led back to the round ending, which we end up resetting, and we end up
Oh, I got
failing
him.
and losing the round.
There's a guy behind that tree and I got him.
Yeah, they're moving down to the left. Hey, you see that?
There's a guy that went behind the building. You're getting shot at by his side. You're getting shot by his side. Your left side, you're being shot at.
Oh, I'd love to help you. Right behind the barrel.
Oh, hit.
Oh, that sucks.
Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
getting shot out man, everywhere!
Hold on. You wanna go Rossi in there? Hold on, who's that?
Any zombies?
What you got? Woo! No, I got that guy right behind the building. See him? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, shit.
That was the quickest airsoft game I've ever played in the world. This was Infection, and it was over in like 5 seconds.
Humans!
Yay for normal people.
That was the quickest. Huh. Well, that's how you destroy a zombie apocalypse. Just rush. It's called Russian.
Alright, yo, last game. Don't roll your ankles. Let's have fun. Now run out there, bro. I found the way. Alright, give me like 30 seconds and I can do it again.
That was I went over there in the paint and I ain't even fired one shot yet.
One more time. If y'all hate it, we'll do team deathmatch.
Team deathmatch, please.
I did nothing. I ran up lane, jumped down the ditch, and
I want to go around.
If you got hit, go over there. That's what they said.
You got shot. You're a zombie.
I never got shot.
So you want to go up in there?
I didn't get a zombie. Because I went with, I don't know who I went with.
Everybody but you. The zombies were hiding a little too well. And then you got to walk through.
They were obvious, but I guess they're good.
Hold on, wait on one. Watch your eye, bro. Yeah, that's hard. So what do y'all think? You want to do more team deathmatch?
Yeah.
Team deathmatch and limited response. This ain't gonna fail. All right. How fast they did? One. You gotta do the 1, 2, 3 thing. Or just do team. Just do team. Okay. All right, over here. Over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This side? I don't know how far you can get. I mean, how far?
A little team, I guess.
I want to stay up here. Real deal. Let's go. Bye.
There was too many people. They want to do team deathmatch. We'll do that other game. Infection some other game.
Thank you.
Wait, Colorado or semi? Why is everybody? They got more over there. They got way more. It's really supposed to be a barrier.
You changed my mind. Why is everyone else leaving?
Oh no, y'all go down there.
No, you're good. And they had like 9 guys down there to start.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I heard one side.
There's only one spot.
Alright, so we're going to team deathmatch now, alright? I know it's right there, but I guess. What about respawn?
What is going on? I'm so confused. Let's go together the other way. I want to shoot you.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah,
half of them up here. What are you doing? Half of them. We didn't want you up here, Dakota. What are you doing? Why?
Team deathmatch.
Always want to shoot you.
Whoever ran into me. One respawn, okay.
I'm going to shoot you, but it's not fucking back.
That's all I want to do. Damn, how many people we got?
We got enough. We got one respawn.
Hey guys.
Hey, everybody hear that? Yeah, one respawn, same building as before.
Which one was respawn? That one? Okay. Hey guys. Everybody rush. Don't push out.
You do have another life.
Last time we won in like 2 seconds.
I mean, if you leave, I'll be right behind you, man.
Nah. I need somebody else to. Like everybody that's in a short sleeve shirt, we stay back. We stay back.
Okay.
We cover the long.
Well, I mean, I'm kind of close range though.
Yeah, but look, it's all good. You just stay behind us.
Okay.
No!
That last game was fast as fuck, boy.
That was like you blinked over. I seriously went over there and I pointed my gun and it was over. And I was like, okay.
I swear, if you were to get like a knife or something and just scrape off the side of one of these buildings, you're gonna get enough paint to refill like an entire bottle full of paintballs.
Somebody's got the woods and someone's right here. I'll go to the woods if y'all want to go.
I'm going.
Wait, what?
I'm going straight to the building right there.
You can go through the building, so you can go around that way.
That way is weak. Don't go
I'm going straight to that building, and then I can cover if someone comes up.
that way.
You going to the woods with Dakota? Yeah. Alright, go.
Yeah! What's going on?
What's the whole?
You alright, bro?
Ready?
I bet y'all hit that B. That BB. Wait. Get it. I bet you can't hit it. Oh, no. Now.
Oh, what? Okay, I guess we're going!
So the round started, and I didn't know. We were trying to shoot a bee out. I know my pistol ended up not working, so I tried to switch, but the round started unsteadily. So that's kind of why there was a little pause trying to shoot a bee. For this round, I am using dual pistols because my M14 didn't work, and a guy lent me his what he called sniper pistol, and it was really fun to shoot, but it didn't hold a lot of gas. So, yeah.
There's a guy in that building right over there. He's the long one.
Alright. I have an angle on that right now.
I know, but I can see.
I'm about to come to your building, or I'm going to go inside.
Ready? Go!
Alright. Now I go inside.
Okay. Any people? Oh crap.
So let me explain some things to clarify some things. I talk a lot. Usually I do not talk in airsoft battles. I'm kind of silent and I kind of stick to myself. But I do communicate with other people, but we are silent, we're stealthy, we can get the kills. But in this one, these are ex-military people. Some of them are not. Actually, most of them are not, including me and all my other friends. But there are some ex-military people, and at the beginning of the whole thing, they were like, please say when there's a person, be like where they are, like yell it out, don't be afraid. And I was like, okay, well, I guess I'll do that. Also, you probably can see I having troubles with my other pistol. I put it up because it was it was just not working. So I did put it up, you saw back there. And so enjoy.
One pushing four left.
He's in that little house. They're all coming left. They're all on our left.
All left. Hit. We're a lot of them left. Not really all of them.
Hey, there's one guy. He's right there. Oh, he got him. There's a guy over here on the right. I saw him run. He's in the house. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
There's a guy right. Oh, he's right there. He's right. Okay, so 3 houses down in the middle. You can see him. He pokes out. I can't get him because of the tree fence. I'm also low on ammo, so.
You're doing a pretty good job of protecting my window.
I'll try to blank his fire and you shoot in, okay? Okay, go. Oh, hit!
And that's the end of this video. Please go watch part 2 to see the rest of this event. It was actually a lot of fun, so please look at part 2. Also leave a comment section below if there's something that you saw a guy and I didn't. Leave it, because sometimes I didn't see people. And tell me if I was doing stuff, if there's something I'm doing you're like, you could fix that or that. It would really help me, because this event is my first event and I've been playing Airsoft for a while, but it would really help. So thanks for watching and see you next time.